We will guide you through how to create spur gear in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Set the drawing units according to your project requirements by typing units in the command line, pressing Enter, and selecting the appropriate unit. Click the Home tab and select the Circle tool. Create the outer circle by specifying the center point and entering the required radius. Next, click the Polyline tool or type Pline in the command line and draw a vertical line from the top center of the outer circle. Continue by drawing a short horizontal line at the top of the vertical line to form the basic guide for one gear tooth. Click the Arc tool and create an arc that smoothly connects the horizontal line to the outer circle. After completing one side of the tooth, click Mirror or type Mirror in the command line. Select the arc and mirror it across the center line to create a symmetrical tooth profile. Type Trim and remove the unnecessary portions of the circle so the tooth shape appears clean and continuous. Type Erapeler in the command line and press Enter. Select the completed gear tooth profile, press Enter, specify the center of the circle as the array center point. Enter the required number of gear teeth, and set the fill angle to 360 degrees. Press Enter to complete the circular pattern. If necessary, type Explode to edit individual teeth, then use Trim and Join to clean and combine the gear outline. Finally, create the center bore by drawing a circle at the gear center. Then save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S. Your spur gear drawing is complete.